Hello viewer, we are going to create the design, then make the further shapes within the shape. Make these designs as well. So there we have. Again keep on editing. Make the designs shapes as well. So let's generate the further. There it is. We will make again and again so that we can get a clarity there. So that's it.